Hello and welcome back again, my friend, with Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again. We came back in another video. So, as every time, if you are a long-term trader, stick with us only here in the daily. If you are a swing trader, go to the 4 hours. And if you are a scalper and day trader, go to 30 minutes. So, go choose depending on your trading style and the timeline. It will sort your trading style. So, let's start our lesson of today. By the way, before we even start, you watching me now, are you not yet subscriber? Why, my friend, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. It's not something hard, just a red button down, click at it, next to it a bell, turn it to all so like that when we put in a new video, you're going to be notified. Or you can even join us in Telegram or Discord where we're giving free daily signals and I tell it to you and I will repeat it. It's only for a certain members. So be quicker before it's too late. You done it? Welcome to the family. So guys, as you see that the daily candle here, it's finished. That one here, that smaller one, I know you can see it here. As you see it, the market doesn't move today. It stay very flat and that's normal because Saturday and Sunday market it always stay like that. So us here, we still got here that inside bar of us here. That one here, the green candle here, which is that one here. As you see it, till now we couldn't break it above here and we haven't break it down here. So here in the daily, everything still looking the same. Nothing was changed. So you need to wait till the right time, guys. Everything is too clear, and I tell it to you and I will repeat it, guys. For long-term investment or for swing trading, we are not going to give signals in our Discord or in our Telegram. If you are a long-term trader or a swing trader, you're going to get the signals here in our YouTube channel. Everything is too clear. So here in the daily, what shall we do? We need to wait a little bit. And we got another thing here. Let me show it to you, which is the one that moving averages here. Now, either the market is going to fall down here to the 100 moving average and also we're going to buy some Bitcoin like how we buy it last time from here, or we're going to wait and if it's going to break to go down here to touch the 200 moving average, or the first and second scenario. The third scenario is that the Bitcoin to go up and to break for us that last high which is here, and also we're going to buy again. So for long-term investment, what shall you do now? At this time, there is nothing you can do. Just wait. If the Bitcoin fall down and touch here, that 100 moving average, you need to buy, or to fall down here because that the first buy of you, it need to be here at the 100 moving average. The second buy of you, it need to be at the 200 moving average. Yes or no? If that scenario doesn't happen and the Bitcoin came and breaking above here in that level here, buy more Bitcoin from here. At this time, what you need to do, just collecting cash, accumulating cash and put it in your broker and put it ready to buy. If it's breaking above here, buy. If it fall down here, buy. Remember my word, if it fall down here, buy, guys. Everything is too clear. Now let's go in to see the on-chain data we got for you that week. So let's go in there to see it. The on-chain data we got for you guys, as you see it, that one here, we've been talking about it thousands of times, that funding rate, and here it happens something very, very, very important. If you see from all that long that the first red time it's happening that, and when it happen again, because let me show it to you for pictures to get more clear to you and to explain those things to you. Look here with me. Here, when it happened here, it happened the red. Yes or no? Then we see the Bitcoin, it fall down. Now we see the first red or the first spike when yesterday it happened that big falling down. Yes or no? What that indicating? People or big whales, they started selling, guys. Remember those things. Should we get scared? Should we sell? No, not yet. We need to wait a little bit because that one here, that sell here compared to the long what happened here, the long it's more than the short. You see it or no? Because that's very common in big whales for doesn't let trust of them in the market. They buy a big amount, then they sold a big amount or 50% from that amount. Or doesn't catch them in the market by volume. Everything is too clear, guys, here. Second one, let me show it to you. Second one, is it that one? And that one will give you more clear picture. You are very clear to the halving cycle. I've been talking about that one thousands of times. By the way, me for long-term investment, that's my number one indicator here or in the stock market. That stock flow, it's my number one indicator. I'm always follow it. When it become the color like that, you need to start buying. When the color start getting yellow like that, you need to start selling. That's it. Everything is too clear, guys, here. And also we are very, very close to the halving cycle, guys. So try to buy and I'll show you where to buy. Let's see the chart one. The chart one we got is that one here. And that one here, it's being here at the oversold area when we used to be here at that 15k. And as you see it, it's breaking above the blue one. So everything's still looking great. That one till it touching here, the overbought area. That when is the right time for you to start taking off the profit. Everything is too clear, guys, here. So everything now it's looking great. Maybe there is a correction going to come to touch here. That's possible, but us now everything is still looking us. We are in a bull market. There is nothing telling us the market is changed now from a bull market to a bear market. Everything is too clear. Now let's go into the 4 hours to see for swing trading, guys. Here we are in the 4 hours. Over here is only for swing trading. Yes, you are right, my friend. Here you remember we show you here that channel is getting broke here. Before yesterday, then me actually don't enter long because we used to have here a divergence. Now the market is showing to us it's staying flat here because investors tell that time there is no one buying, no one selling. The market is staying flat here. And that's very, very common. Such a day, it's always the market being flat. But today, guys, by the end of that day, you need to be focused. If you are in our Telegram or in our Discord, we're going to give you a signal. If you are here in YouTube, we're going to give you the signal how to enter in it. So be focused with us what the market is going to do today. Because today there is a huge jump is going to happen. So be careful, guys. And here in the 4 hours, as we said it like that, we said we got here a channel. That channel, it gave us here that thick out here, as you see it. Now, till now, we couldn't break it down here. So everything still looking the same. There is nothing changed. We need to wait until the market break either down or either up. Till now, the market is staying here sideways. So for swing trading, there is nothing yet. You need to wait until the market break either up here or either down here. And I show it to you. I told you if it's breaking down here, you do it like that for that channel like that. And in the place where it's going to be broken, you do it like that. So the first take profit of you need to be here at that 28k level here, as you see it. That the first take profit of you, stop of loss of you, it need to be here in the top. That for swing trading, guys, you need to be focused with me. Because me, I told you for swing trading, also we are not going to give you more signals in our Discord or in our Telegram. For swing trading, we give you signals just here in YouTube. Everything is too clear. Let's go now to see our indicator, what it's saying. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, all the whole day staying here in the place where is the bears they controlling. That bad news or good news, name it whatever you want. But till now we couldn't break that level here, which is down here, as you see it. It's need that one to come down to break lower here and to break for us that channel as we talking about in the 4 hours. So you need to be focused about. And also now we still in a downtrend, guys. So everything still looking the same, nothing was changed. Let's go now to see our other indicator, what it's saying. Same thing for that one. We got here a divergence like that, but till now the price action doesn't tell us we need to enter. As you see it, as you see that the price action, it's need to break here for us to enter first take profit. I told you here, look with me here, that peak here, that the first take profit of you, then you can see if it's going to fall down here or here. But here, try to protect yourself. And Bitcoin, when it's falling, it always fall down slowly. Look at that. Look here by your eye. You see it, how long it takes to fall down to here. But when it's going up, look at it, how long it's going up very fast. So guys, you need to be focused about even that one. If it's breaking lower here, enter short, guys. That's it. That's the only thing I can tell you. But if it's breaking above here, that one is just an oscillator. You don't need to care about it. If it's breaking above here, we will enter long, guys. Everything is too clear. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see what Bitcoin doing today in 30 minutes for scalping and day trading. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Over here is only for scalping and day trading. By the way, you. I know you are a subscriber and you've been with us for some time. Did you smash the like button? You haven't. Why, my friend? Pause the video now, smash the like button, write down a comment, and if you could even share the video, support us, guys. You know that channel without you can growing up. So please go ahead and do it. You done it. Thank you very, 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 very much, my friend. Here in 30 minutes, me I spend all the whole day here waiting at enter. I've been waiting that level here, that one here, that last high here to be broke. It doesn't. And the market here, it gives give us here a new price action. Look at it here. If you came here and you do in here, if you came to down here to that one and you do in here, you see it or no? You got here a very clear price action. It's not that big. If it's breaking here, we will enter long. If it's breaking down, we will enter short. Yes or no? If it's breaking here, we will enter short, guys. But me till now, I'm still believing there is another leg is going to come here. It's going to come another leg, because if you see with me here, I just gave it to people in my Telegram. We got here a head and shoulder, and the neckline is down here. Me, I'm still thinking there is another leg here. The market is going to fall down to touch here again. Then from here, we're going to see maybe a double bottom or another price action. And also we're waiting all those things, guys. So I think picture is too clear. Let's see our indicator what it's saying. Our indicator is telling us we are here at the oversold area. So technically also we need to looking for buy, but we need the price action. For scalping, yes, there is a small price action here, but for day trading, it's not yet. So we need to wait in, and when there is something new, we're going to give it to you in our Telegram or in our Discord. That's why me I told you, if you are not there, you can join us now before it's too late, guys. You done it? Welcome to the family, guys. So guys, that's it for that video, and please guys, don't forget to support us by just smashing the like button, writing down a comment, and if you could even share the video. You done it? Thank you very much, my friends. See you in another video, guys. Bye for now.